Hi, welcome. Simon here. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about what happened to this computer here. This is an HP 17-inch, and one of the biggest thing is that they break right by the hinge. Okay, so because the screen is too big and heavy, every time when you lift it up and close it down, there's a lot of pressure coming and contacting the hinge on the left and the right. So it looks like the hinge is broken. Well, the mounting bracket on the plastic is broken, so this is what happened. And when I shake the laptop, I can hear something is inside. And let's go ahead and take a look at it and see if we can adhesive glue it back together. If that doesn't work, then we'll buy the Palmrest, which is the mounting bracket for the hinge. Alright, let's jump right into it. We need to remove the plastic here. This rubber stopper is the one that hiding the screws, so there are hidden screws at the bottom as well as hidden screw here, the two of them at the bottom here, on the top and at the bottom. Okay, so before I forgot, let's go ahead and identify the model here. If you take a closer look, it should be an HP 17BY, HP 17BY 0053 CL. Get a Phillips screwdriver, and let's go ahead and start removing some of the screws. It looks like that screw is already missing. It got to be inside the computer. Once you remove that screw, you can slide it to your left to remove it. It looks like the damage is pretty severe. I don't think we can adhesive or epoxy glue it back together. More likely have to buy the replacement for the entire Palmrest. Hopefully we can save the back cover. Okay, let's pop it right out. I can see that the both sides of the hinge are broken, so there are two screws here. That missing screw is already gone somewhere, and that hinge right there, those are the broken plastics. Okay, see if I can shake things out. Because something is stuck. I wonder where does it stuck to. Let's see what happened to this hinge. It looks like it's broken as well. Well, let's go ahead and turn off the computer. The computer was actually on a sleep mode. Let's go ahead and shut it down. Alright, it just seems like a lot of things are broken. Both sides are broken. The hinge. So I'm just shaking off the plastic. It looks like something was stuck in internally of this one. Okay. So what I'd like to identify is see if there's any broken piece on the top here. It just looks like this part is broken as well. Okay, definitely I'm not able to adhesive them back together. Epoxy glue does not seem to is going to hold it. We definitely need to replace the entire Palmrest. So the Palmrest comes with the keyboard. You won't be surprised because the keyboard is already, the way they make it is not removable, it's one piece together. So when I buy the replacement Palmrest, it comes with the keyboard, probably with the trackpad as well. So the only thing that we'll be transferring is the LCD screen, the motherboard, the fan, the hard drive, the battery. So everything internal component will be transferred over to the Palmrest. I just want to take it apart to see the condition of it. This is too much to adhesive glue, therefore we need to find a replacement. Okay, I don't have the replacement part with me at the moment, but I'll link it down in the description below. If you're interested, go check out on eBay or Amazon where you can find the replacement part. So for this reason, I'm going to close it back together and wait for the parts to come in. Thanks for watching. Have any question, comment down below. Until next time, bye now.